Well, that's just great. You having another kid?
Oh shit, I forgot you had a kid.
Bro, he's my slave.
Huh?
I moved from the bike. It's our 4-stroke.
I ain't got a 4-stroke.
Imagine.
Oh, a ring a ding ding. It's recording.
Oh, I'm not shit, I'm pro photographer. Oh.
What can we break of Isaac's?
It's 50, mate. Just kick the 50. Wait, you see how we kicked? You see a ref? We're gonna get the other bands.
Bands? What bands?
Power bands.
You ain't got no power bands. But you got no exhaust, it's not no power band. What? This is weird, it's recording us. He was recording us.
I know, weirdo. Wait, has anyone got a torch?
Yeah. There's light in it. Oh, it's brown though, so he's hid it. Oi, I'm like, you know one of them things out of the ocean at the bottom?
Who's that Pokemon?
You know one of them things?
I hang around the bars, yeah.
If you want to follow me, Instagram is whitecoatwill@gmail.com. My PayPal is linked in the bio. Yeah, I am fun. I only found Jeremy.
Isaac, you actually need to make this into a YouTube video.
Look at this haircut, boys. Look at it. Look at the state of it. I like your cut, G. Bloody, you're
biased.
Body to beat them, getting rid of evidence. I'ma go get it, they waiting for buzzes. I've been taking L's and I lost.
I don't want to dance.
Ooh, okay. If it's not blowing up the top end, right? Why?
What? Are you legal to 125? That 125?
I've never actually blown a top end.
Where's the tools gone?
Where you put them?
There, you just put them.
No, there was one more kit. Oh, there it is. Lag skin. Come on, you lot, keep it tidy. Jesus.
Fresh
White.
kills.
I don't know if it will actually come out. I might have to remove that.
Oh, so you getting that? Oh,
Get a bit of light.
Let's come this up. See if this thing is short or not. Yeah, I don't want the piston scratch anymore.
We need the piston down.
Do you want me to kickstart it?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to.
Sure.
Slowly. Slowly.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Wait.
I'm not touching.
Wait. No.
No.
No?
Yeah, come.
No, let me.
It don't
No,
look
it's calm.
bad.
It's calm.
Oh, no, it's sand.
Oh,
can't feel
that's
it.
not good, is
Oh, wait,
it?
what's that?
How is it?
Fine.
Side.
Yeah! Save me 200 quid.
Side, fine.
Actually, no, more than 200 quid.
How's it?
Who done that?
You see that?
Look at the sand in there.
Oh shit.
WD-40 as well if you got any.
Come we go there. We'll come meet you and then we'll go there. We'll meet you there. Say it again? Yeah. He needs one cable tie. Wow.
He was charged. So don't kick it. You're so dirty.
Bro, he's a YouTuber, he's got to.
Now, literally, after the build video is done, I'm gonna do like 2 videos every week.
When my bike broke.
When I filmed.
Yeah, but is this like really a good video? This is not a, like instructional video at all.
No, it doesn't have to be.
Wait, I've got hench hands. I just put that circle in.
Yeah, but you scratched my piston.
Yeah.
You scratched my piston.
Oh, you actually have scratched. Oh, you scratched it already. Unbelievable.
Bro, I put a circlip in with my bare hand.
His boss just sees this video and gets fired.
Nah.
Man said bedtime soon, you're mocking it. Yeah, we are coming with you. Jamie's just getting the top end.
Bare obsessed with it.
Wait, the rings. Wait, no. Back rings bent. No, like it's bent out. No, like it's fully bending down.
Relax, bro.
No, like it's bending like that. Doing a Ronaldo 90.
Button everything up. And go for it, right.
Mr. Ali.
9 o'clock.
Is the fuel on?
No.
Please don't feel no type of way.
I had to get it for the YouTube. I needed a bit of footage. Yeah.
It's so fucking like vibration.
I can't.
It's so soft.
That ain't your throttle, you idiot. First top end rebuild done on the 1.2s. By the time you're seeing this, so you've got you. But yeah, I don't know if I end in here. I need to get some new coolant.
Top on the whip, no I can't stop.